By the end of this video, you're going to be doing this. Let's make this chicharron. This pork belly, delicious, delicious, and crunchy. Let's do it. Today we are going to cook a delicious, crunchy pork belly. In Spanish we say chicharrón de cerdo, chicharrón de puerco. You could use lime or you could use lemon to wash them. I'm going to be washing them with this one because this is what I have at home. Adding baking soda to the skin, right? Because that is going to help us have the nice and crunchy skin that we like. So I already washed it with it. Also, it's also gonna help clean it. I already did one wash with the lime. It's right here. And now I'm kind of, because it's wet, I'm kind of like using a paste, basically. Create a paste. And I'm just massaging, like kind of rubbing it. Then I'm going to rinse it out. And we're gonna add 2 bay leaf, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 ajicito gustoso. Here we have the spoon of salt. Cover it and let it boil for 30 minutes or until it starts getting a little soft, but not too soft because you do not want it to overcook and break it. So 30 minutes should be good. So this one looks like a very young pig. You would know if it's like a grown adult or older according to the skin. The skin will be the tougher the skin is, that means the older the animal was. But if it's like this one that it look very slim, the skin, that means the animal was younger. I grew up in a farm. That's how I know this. And while it's boiling, you're gonna be removing all of these bubbles that is making, forming in there. You remove it. Already remove the pork belly out of the water, and now I'm going to put it on paper towel, and I'm gonna tap and let it cool off, because if you put it to fry while it's steaming means that it still have that moisture on it, so you might end up getting burned if you put it to fry now. So just go do something else while it cool off. Now that we have it nice and dry, now we're gonna fry it. In Dominican Republic, it's tradition that if you're going to eat pork belly, you have to put lime or lemon. It's tradition. It's like if you never ate it. I don't understand. I can explain to you, but it adds this nice kick to it. Crunchiness and the juice from the sourness of the juice, the citric, delicious, delicious.